Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. We are jumping on the bloom train again. I am about to do my second bloom. And after studying my Sweet Karen from Waterfall Acrylics and Jen Neal and so many other good blooming peeps out there, I figured let's give this another go. I got this cute little domed canvas from Blix, and I figured this is perfect. So we're giving it another try. So wish me luck, guys. Let's talk about what we got going on. I already put down a little base coat there, but our pillow paint is right here in this cup, and that pillow paint is Valspar. I'll post a picture. It's a Valspar paint that the sweet painting man at Lowe's mixed up for me. He called it the Blackest Black. Now, it was kind of thin though, and so what I did is I added, let me grab it, I added some of my Jilly paint, my sweet Aussie Jilly Friends paint, this Mont lamp black to it, because this stuff is thick as molasses, and it helped thicken up my pillow paint a little bit. And I put some Golden Gack 800 in it, just for good luck. Now, our pouring medium today for our paints is a mix of 2 parts of the HGTV Sherwin-Williams Interior Exterior High Gloss Ultra Deep Base, untinted and unshaken. You do not have the people at the paint store shake it up. I don't know why, but you don't. So it's 2 parts that to 2 parts of the Minwax water base polyacrylic, mixed up real good, and then mixed up with our paints. We've got about 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. Let's talk about our colors. In this yummy cup right here, see how thick that stuff is? It's like the maple syrup. And I'm not used to thick paints. And I'm hoping this is thick enough, because the last one I did was not as thick as I think it should be. That is Decoart Metallics, and that is their 24 karat gold. This yummy color right here, well, that might be a little thinner than the gold. That is a mixture of Treasure Gold, Mayan Gold, and Art Alchemy Hazelnut. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then our pouring medium. And then if you want it a little darker, you add a little bit more of this. If you want it a little more golden, you add a little bit more of this. Just like a mad scientist guy. It's part of the pleasure. Now this yummy color, I used this the other day. Can you see that? It's like purple and copper. It's like a color shift paint. This is so cool. This is Decoart, folk art Treasure Gold, and this is the antique copper. Super, super cool paint, guys. Grab your Michael's coupon and head over there and give that baby a try. Now, in this cup, I'm not going to stir it up for you just yet. That is our cell activator, and that is 1 part paint, which is the Amsterdam Black, to 3 parts of the magic ingredient, the Aussie Floetrol. Look at that tiny little bottle. And it's almost gone. Got to get me some more, which means I'm going to wait another 6 weeks. I found this on eBay, guys. That's a mix 1 part to 4 parts. Yeah, 4 parts to 3 parts. 1 part to 3.5 parts. There you go. We'll meet you in the middle. Now, I had reached out to Floetrol about their ingredients, and then I also reached out to these other Floetrol people about their ingredients, and I got no response. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but this is my cell activator, which is the Amsterdam Black with the Aussie Floetrol. But there is a little bit of an oil slick on top. And don't be hating, guys. I'm not saying anything bad. I mean, it's okay as long as you wipe it off good if you need to before you varnish. Once you varnish, that painting's protected for longer than you and I are going to be around. But there's definitely some type of an oil in that Aussie Floetrol. And maybe that is why some people suggest putting wood conditioner, Minwax wood conditioner, into your regular American Floetrol to help that to sell up. So those of you who could not get your hands on that Aussie Floetrol, from what I understand, you can use the American Floetrol with a few drops of the wood conditioner in it to help it give you that kind of bloom effect that we're all looking for. Now, I have another color. I haven't decided if I'm throwing it in the mix because of that coppery purple color, but this is a yummy color. This is Treasure Gold's Green Vert. So I'm either going to use one or the other. And everything will be listed in the little description box, which I think is over here, that little drop down arrow, guys. So I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and put my pillow paint down, put my little colors down, put my cell activator down, and Karen has, from Waterfall Acrylics, has a really good video. It's a couple of videos back, but she really spends a lot of time teaching you how to blow on your bloom colors. So those of you who have not headed over there, by all means do it, because she is one of the masters. And I don't know if I'm going to use this, but a Paint and Peep sent this to me. Apparently it's the cutest damn thing I've ever seen. I can't wait to give it to my G-baby when she comes for a visit, and she can help me blow off that driveway after I mow the grass. But this is the cutest little thing. I'm going to turn it on. It's the world's smallest blow dryer. How cool is that? How cool is that? So I might use that, but I'm going to go ahead and try and do it with my mouth first. If I don't get it right, we'll whip out the tiniest blow dryer. Guys, thanks for being here. I'm glad you are. It's early in the morning. I haven't had my second cup of coffee, so that's why I'm mumbling around here a little bit. So let's get busy, guys.
stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your